Howdy folks, just getting back from a trip here into Montana. Truck's been sitting outside the past 6 days to do a real good cold start here. Cycled the glow plugs probably twice and then just let her rip. So yeah, how many miles we got on her now? 280. But alright, one more time on the plugs. Made sure I had a full tank. Obviously I have anti-gel in it as always. And yeah, I mean all the glow plugs, half the glow plugs were new last year, and yeah, batteries 2018. Alright, let's try her. Ooh, I should have just held it a little longer. There she goes. See what kind of smoke I'm getting, if any. Oh yeah. Not terrible. Not terrible. She cleaned up pretty quick. No oil shitting on the ground, so we're good to go. But just wanted to do a good cold start video for you. Let her warm up. Take it easy. Oh, and I'm saying it's 20 degrees, so a little point of reference.